Escalating tensions with Pakistan after Pahalgam terror attack. India is set for nationwide drills tomorrow. The order came after a series of high-level meetings by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Delhi to discuss India's retaliation to the attack on April 22nd. Now, a preparation of nationwide mock drills has been initiated across Jammu and Kashmir. Also, Dal Lake, which is serving as a nerve center for Srinagar, witnessed mega drill as a part and parcel of tomorrow's plan of showcasing how the SDRF will respond in the case of emergency at Dal Lake. Now my colleague Yavar is here with more details.
After 1971, for the first time, the MHA has asked the civil defense to conduct the mock drill at various states and the UTs. And right now we are reporting from the nerve center of Srinagar, that's the Dal Lake. You can see that these are the Jawans of SDRF having a prompt role in the case of the emergency. They have been, doing this mock drill as a part of preparation that will be conducted on the track, and the MHA's order assume utmost significance as it comes utmost 2 weeks after India witnessed one of its worst attack on civilians on April 22 in South Kashmir, Pahalgam. And such drill was last conducted in 1971, the year in which India and Pakistan went to war on two fronts. Now, besides this, you can see that the utmost siren are being used. This is a part and parcel of this mock drill because in the guidelines, it has been widely accepted and urged to have first-hand stock of these situations because sirens plays an emergency role when it comes to the development and mock drills and preparations that have been put in place. These are the Jawans of the SDRF who are working day in and day out for this mock drill, and we have been given the understanding that in the borderline areas, schools especially, which remains on the forefront and very vulnerable, they have also been asked to prepare on the tracks, and similar thing have been put in place. See on the other side, you can see that how the preparations have been done in order to ensure that tomorrow's drill will be on full swing, and that's the reason that this SDRF, these Jawans who are the prompt responder of the first emergency, has been doing it day in and day out in order to admire and admit what the MHA guidelines has been for the entire country.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.